sitting backs. Only Dominatore being brought forward, occupying stall number 3. All set. Waiting for the dispatch. Condition race category number 16 has just begun. We have the super, mega, outstanding favorite, Kid Baloloy. Didn't waste time at the break. Running on the outside, second comes Love Affair. Running in third on the outside comes Punisher, or rather Dominatore, running viral start, then followed by Azop and Punisher. Heading towards the half-mile fall, we have Kid Baloloy in front by about half a length. Pressing upon the outside, Love Affair. Running in third comes Dominatore, Stark, Azop, and Punisher. Inside the last 600, Kid Baloloy enjoying a half-length lead. Love Affair once again being torn up the challenge for the outside. Dominatore is in third as they turn for Roma. They are all after the super, mega, outstanding favorite, Kid Baloloy, now shot clear by about 3 lengths. Love Affair now in second and on the outside. Dominatore, and down the stretch they come. Kid Baloloy kicks away by about 5 lengths, followed by Love Affair, Dominatore, and finally Kid Baloloy, Love Affair, Dominatore. Then comes Punisher as up start. Comes in last.
Okay, 4-5-3-6-1-2. Datingan dito sa race number 6.